Bodyweight squats are a fundamental exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime, without the need for any equipment. To perform a bodyweight squat, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and engage your core muscles. Begin the movement by bending your knees and pushing your hips back as if you are sitting back into a chair. Lower your body down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, making sure to keep your weight in your heels and your knees tracking over your toes. As you lower yourself down, keep your chest up and your back straight. Avoid rounding your back or leaning too far forward. Your knees should not go past your toes, and your heels should remain flat on the ground. Once you have reached the bottom of the squat, push through your heels and engage your glutes to return to the starting position. Make sure to fully extend your hips at the top of the movement and squeeze your glutes for maximum benefit. It is important to focus on proper form and technique when performing bodyweight squats to prevent injury and get the most out of the exercise. Pay attention to your alignment, keeping your knees in line with your toes and your back straight throughout the movement. Bodyweight squats can be modified to suit your fitness level by adjusting the depth of the squat or adding variations such as pulsing at the bottom or holding at the top. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, you can also increase the number of repetitions or add weight to make it more challenging. Incorporating bodyweight squats into your workout routine can help improve lower body strength, mobility, and balance. They target the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core muscles, making them a great all-around exercise for building strength and endurance. Remember to warm up before performing bodyweight squats and listen to your body. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop the exercise and consult a fitness professional. With practice and consistency, bodyweight squats can become a staple in your fitness routine, helping you achieve your health and wellness goals.